Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate posts on Instagram. So collab posts are one of the best way to grow your following because the post shows up on two profiles at once. And here I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of inviting a collaborator and what to do if you aren't seeing the options. So here what you need to do is just post like usual. So just click on the plus button and choose the post that you want to. For example, I'm going to upload a photo. You can just tap on next and then next again, and in here you can see before posting you can see the option to tag people. And then just choose this option, Invite Collaborators, and click on Invite again, and then you can just find the usernames of the collaborators. For example, I'm going to invite this account, and then you can just click on a check icon, and if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers. That means it will grow your following also, and if they have a public account, it will also be shared publicly. So just tap on a check icon, and after that you can just click on share. So what if you don't see the options, why you might not be able to collab yet? So maybe this new feature is not yet available in your country. You can try using VPN, or you can also try to update your Instagram application first. Maybe your Instagram app is outdated. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.